How to use look, be like, look like. When we describe people or things, we can use the phrases look, be like, and look like. The verb look with an adjective is used to describe someone's emotion or state. He looks happy. She looks excited. You look tired. Remember to use do and does, don't and doesn't for negatives and questions. You don't look very happy. Does he look sad, in your opinion? You can also use look in the present continuous tense to talk about someone's health. You're looking good. He's looking ill. We use be like to talk about similarities. I'm like my sister. David is like his father. Who are you like? My sister and I aren't like anyone else in our family. He's a lot like his brother. He's a bit like his brother. He's really like his brother. He isn't like his mother at all. I saw the new office building today. What's it like? It's beautiful. I saw the new Brad Pitt film last night. What was it like? Pretty good. He's great in it. Use look like to talk about a person's physical similarity with another person. I look like my mother. You look like your sister. He looks like his grandfather. Remember, with the verb look in the present simple tense, you need do/does, don't/doesn't to make questions and negatives. Do you look like your sister or your brother? Does he look like his mother? They don't look like their parents.